mo bang malaman bakit may mga sellers na stuck sa 100,000 habang yung mga ibang sellers umaabot up to 10 million pesos per month? Hindi yan swerte, but rather mindset. Let me explain. Most sellers that I see, they are operators. Sila yung gumagawa ng lahat mula sa sourcing ng products, yung mga creatives, yung mga ad setup, affiliate marketing, customer service, at sobrang dami pang iba. Lahat ng small tasks sa business, sila ang gumagawa. And the result, it slows them down. Kaya kahit may traffic, may orders, stuck pa rin sila at hindi pa rin nag-i-improve. And that is the difference between 100,000 and 10 million. Because 10 million a month sellers are focused on process, team, and most importantly, systems. Yung mga maliliit na bagay like customer support, setting up their ads, affiliate marketing, they have teams for that. At dahil dyan, mas may oras sila to focus on the big picture things. At ito ang pinaka-importanteng mindset shift. Kasi kung ikaw ang gumagawa ng lahat ng tasks sa business mo, ikaw ang bottleneck ng business mo. Pero if may sistema ka at marunong ka mag-delegate, ang bawat tao sa team mo nagpe-perform. Ang bawat system mo gumagana. As a result, mas mabilis nakakapag-scale at mas mabilis na e-eliminate ang bottlenecks. Kaya ito ang tanong ko sa'yo.